Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to view Wi-Fi password in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 and you are looking for how to find out Wi-Fi password. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. First of all, you can get Wi-Fi password, the current Wi-Fi you connected, that will give you very easily to get that password. For example, you can see I'm not just now connected with my home Wi-Fi, which is name is 5GHSS, and I want to find out what is the password in this Wi-Fi. So in order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11 start menu and then click here settings. After click over settings, you need to click here network and internet. After click over network and internet, you need to click here advanced network setting. After click over advanced network setting, you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click here more network adapter options. After click over more network adapter options, you're going to find here Wi-Fi, and this is the you currently connected the Wi-Fi name. So we're going to right click over on it and then we're going to click here status. After click over status, we're going to click here wireless properties. After click over wireless properties, we're going to click here security and we're going to click this show characters. So after click over there, we're going to see the Wi-Fi password currently connected with the network, which is really quite interesting. Also, now you might be looking for see the same Wi-Fi password, or previously you had connected with the network and you want to see those Wi-Fi password. In order to do that, we're going to use some trick or some command to find out those password. So for that, we're going to click here our search bar and then we're going to type here terminal. Terminal, and you can see this is the Windows terminal. We're going to right click over on it and then we're going to click here run as administrator. After click over run it as administrator, we're going to type here a command which is netsh space wlan space show space profiles, and then we're going to click here enter. After click over enter, we're going to see all the network or all the Wi-Fi connection we have been connected with our laptop or desktop. All those Wi-Fi name going to be appear here, which is really quite interesting. But now we're looking for how to get that password. So here we're going to type another command which is netsh space wlan space show space profiles profiles space name is equal to this dot and then we're going to type here Wi-Fi name. For example, I just choose this one which is iPhone, so we're going to type here iPhone and then we're going to type the same things and then we're going to click space and then we're going to click a key is equal to clear and let me hit enter, and now you're going to see this is the iPhone SSD name and this is the key content which is the password in this iPhone SSD name, so which is really quite interesting. So within this way you can easily find out Wi-Fi password in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.